Are you looking for a FreshBooks promo code or discount? Good news! FreshBooks is currently offering 90% off for 6 months on selected plans for new customers. That means you can start using FreshBooks at a much lower monthly price while testing whether it fits your business. FreshBooks is cloud-based accounting software made for freelancers, service businesses, small business owners, agencies, and consultants. It helps you create invoices, track expenses, accept payments, send estimates, manage clients, and keep your business finances organized from one simple dashboard. Now let's talk about the discount. With this FreshBooks offer, you can get 90% off for the first 6 months. For example, the Lite plan may drop to around $2.30 per month. The Plus plan may drop to around $4.30 per month. And the Premium plan may drop to around $7 per month. These prices can vary depending on your country, plan, and FreshBooks' current offer, so always check the final price before signing up. But if the 90% discount is available, it is one of the best FreshBooks deals for new users. Now, which FreshBooks plan should you choose? The Lite plan is best if you are just starting out. It works well for freelancers, solo business owners, or very small businesses that only need to send invoices to a few clients. The Plus plan is usually the better option for most small businesses. It allows you to manage more clients, track expenses, send estimates, and handle regular invoicing more comfortably. If you work with multiple clients every month, Plus gives you more room to grow. The Premium plan is better for businesses with unlimited clients. If you have many customers, regular invoices, and more serious accounting needs, Premium can be a better fit. There is also a Select plan, but that is usually for larger businesses that need custom pricing and support. Now, why should you use FreshBooks instead of a spreadsheet? With spreadsheets, you need to enter most things manually. You have to track invoices, payments, expenses, and reports yourself. That can take a lot of time, and mistakes can happen easily. FreshBooks makes this easier. You can create professional invoices, send them to clients, track whether they are paid or unpaid, record expenses, and see your business performance in one place. For freelancers, this is useful because you can spend less time on admin work and more time doing client work. For small business owners, it helps keep invoices, expenses, and payments organized. And for service-based businesses, FreshBooks makes it easier to send estimates, convert them into invoices, and follow up with clients. One important thing to remember, this FreshBooks discount is usually for RAR's new customers only. Also, after the 6-month promotional period ends, your plan may renew at the regular monthly price. So before you sign up, check 3 things. First, make sure the 90% discount is applied at checkout. Second, choose the plan that fits your business. And third, set a reminder before the discount period ends so you can decide whether to continue, upgrade, downgrade, or cancel. So, in simple words, if you are a freelancer or small business owner looking for easy accounting software, FreshBooks at 90% off for 6 months is a good deal to check. You can test the software, send invoices, track expenses, and manage your business at a very low starting cost. I'll leave the FreshBooks discount link in the description. Check the current offer, compare the plans, and make sure the promo is applied before you complete your sign-up. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel.